Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, hi, I'm Sydney and I make videos here on YouTube. For today's video, I thought it'd be really fun to show you guys how to do the 60s hair flip. So without further ado, let's get started. For this hairstyle, you will need to begin by sectioning your hair and using a rat tail comb to tease. To get the best results, your section should be small and fine. The higher you hold each section, the more voluminous the hairstyle will be. Use the rat tail comb with small circular motions to get the strongest tease. If your hair is not teasing well, adding some hairspray will help it stick. Section your hair where you want it to lay and tease the sides and top towards the back. I am in the process of growing out an undercut, so I have limited hair to work with on one side. Once you've teased to your liking, you will need a curling iron with a clamp. Section your hair again, working with small sections. Take a piece of your hair from the section and curl the end away from your face. I also loosely bobby pinned my side bangs to look tucked behind my ears. Now I'm just using a straightener to smooth any bumps in my hair. And hairspray to finish it off. So that is all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, subscribe, like this video, and I will see you guys next time.